kids! You're watching Fun for Kids Club. Let's learn and have fun together. Let's go!
Can you guess the animal sound in 3 seconds? Listen carefully. Who makes this noise? Let's find out. Listen, can you hear the dog barking? Wow, the cat says meow. Moo, look at the cow. Baba, it's the sheep. Quack, quack. Who is this? The duck. Nay, hear the horse. Oink, oink, the pig is here. Cluck, cluck, it's the chicken. Bleat, bleat, say hello to the goat. Roar, the mighty lion. Growl, watch the tiger. Trumpet, here comes the elephant. Ribbit, ribbit, the frog is jumping. Chatter, chatter, it's the monkey. Tweet, tweet, look at the bird. Buzz, buzz, can you see the bee? Hiss, it's the snake. Howl, howl, the wolf is calling. Hoot, hoot! Who's owl. Growl. The bear is big and strong. Grunt, grunt! It's the camel! Hee-haw! Look at the donkey! Bark, bark! The seal is swimming! Cock-a-doodle-doo! The rooster is loud. Squawk, say hello to the parrot. Screech, the eagle is flying high. Chirp, chirp, the cricket is singing. Squeak, squeak, the mouse is tiny and fast. Neigh, neigh! The zebra sounds like a horse. Splash! The hippo makes a funny sound. Caw, caw! The crow is loud and smart. Squeal! The rabbit makes a funny sound. Chatter! The squirrel is busy and loud.
Thanks for watching, kids. Great job today. You're so smart. See you next time.